Hi everyone, today we are going to see how to use fx991ES plus calculator to find out the regressions. So go to mode first, then select 3, that is a statistic. It will ask you which type of equation do you have, then select 2. Suppose a linear equation, equation of a straight line, a plus bx. So press 2. Then it is going to ask you the value of x and y. First of all, we will enter the value of x. For example, 1 equal to 2 equal to 3 equal to 4. Similarly we need to put a corresponding value of y in y column. So I will have 3 equal to 5 equal to 7 equal to 9. So you have 4 x values and 4 y values. Store it in a memory. Then you can clear it. After clearing, you can press shift 1. So it is going to ask you whether you want a sum or whether you want to edit the data or which type it is. So if I press 3, that is sum, it is going to show me you can have summation of x square, summation of x, summation of y square, summation of y, summation of xy, summation of x cube, summation of x square y, and summation of x raised to 4. Suppose you want summation of x square y, so press 7 and say equal. So you will get an answer 230, that is a summation of x square y. If you need to go back and calculate other values, then again shift 1, then 3. Suppose I want summation of x raised to 4, so it is having a number 8, so press 8 and say equal. At every time you need to press an equal, so it is going to show you a summation of x raised to 4, that is 354. This is how we can calculate the value of summations directly by using fx991ES. Thank you for watching video.